Assalamualaikum. So for the part A, I will going to explain about a mobile operating system concept. So for the question 1, name and describe the two dominant mobile operating system today. So the two dominant mobile operating system today are Android and iOS. Android was created by Google in 2008. It's open source and used by many smartphone brands like Samsung, Oppo, and Xiaomi. Androids allow users to customize their phones easily and download apps through the Google Play Store. Next is iOS, which was developed by Apple in 2007. It runs only on iPhones and iPads. iOS is known for its smooth performance, strong security, and good connection with other Apple products like the MacBook and Apple Watch. So next, for the question 2, briefly state the status of the third OS mentioned in the outline, which is a Windows Phone. So the third mobile OS Windows Phone has been discontinued by Microsoft. It's no longer supported or updated and most apps are no longer available. So for the question 3, differentiate between Android and iOS based on the two core features. So the two core features for Android is open source, meaning users can change and customize it freely. Meanwhile, iOS is a closed system, so customization is limited. Second, Android is used by many phones brand, while iOS is used only on Apple device. Next, question 4. Explain the basic method of installing application. The method of installing application is users go to the App Store on their device. For Android, they use the Google Play Store, and for iOS, they use the Apple App Store. The user just search for the app, tap install, and the system will download and install it automatically. So for the last question of my part is question 5. Describe the difference between a pull and a push content source. So lastly, let's look at the difference between pull and push content source. A pull means the user start the download manually. For example, when we open Play Store and install an app ourselves. A push means the system or admin automatically installs or updates something, like a software update that happens without us pressing anything. So that's all from me. Thank you.
When you unlock an Android phone, the home screen is the first thing you see. Even though different brands have different looks, most Android phones share the same key elements. First, we have app icon. There's a small picture that represents your apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or setting. You can tap any icon to open the apps. Next, at the bottom of the screen, you will see the dock bar. The dock is a special area where you keep your most used app, so you can access them quickly from any home screen page. Usually, the dock contains apps like phone, message, camera, and Chrome. Other common items include the status bar at the top, which show the time, battery, and signal strength, and the search bar, which help you find apps or make Google search instantly. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so my name is Muhammad Qayyum bin Khairul Nizam, 19 DIT 25F 1031. Okay, so I will present the first question on the part B. Okay, the question is using visual demonstration, screenshot or screen recording identify the named two common element found on the both Android and iOS home screen. Okay, so today I will be identifying and naming two common elements found on the iOS home screen. The first element we can see here is app icon. Okay, these are small symbols that represent different applications such as camera, message and setting. By tapping on any icon, the app will open immediately like this. Okay, next, the bottom of the screen we have dock. This, and the dock is a fixed area that always stay at the bottom. Even when we swipe between page, it usually contain our most frequently used app like phone, message, Safari and camera for easy access. So in summary, the two common elements on the iOS home screen are the app icon and the dock. These features make it simple and convenient for users to access their apps quickly. Thank you.
Now, let's see how to create a folder to organize your app. First, tap and hold any app icon you want to organize. Then, drag it on top of another app that you want to group with it. And then, when the two icons overlap, a folder is automatically created. You can change. You can then rename the folder. For example, apps. And then to add more apps, just drag any app into the folder. Okay, folder are very usually because they help keep your home screen clean and organized instead of scrolling through many pages. You can find apps faster inside folder.
Okay, for the question 3 part B, the question say visually demonstrate and describe the basic step to uninstall an app from an iOS device. Okay, so for the first step is locate the app. Find the app icon on your home screen or in the app library. Go to the screen where the app you want to delete is located. Okay, step 2, press and hold the app icon. Okay, tap and hold the app icon until a small menu appear to the icon start jiggle. Okay, this is active edit home screen mode. Okay, for the third step, click the app that you want to delete. Okay, tap delete add and then delete again to confirmation. Okay, now the app disappear from your screen. Okay, the app and its data are now removed from your device. Okay, also I can teach you the alternative way that you can delete your app just by click setting. Okay, and go to general, click iPhone storage and click the app that you want to delete, press delete and press delete again to confirmation, and now the app was disappear. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you.